out the last video of 2019. Well, I guess it's technically 2020 now. I'm a little bit late with this video. This past year has been a crazy ride. We traveled, worked on cars, attended car shows, hung out with new friends, and reunited with old ones. This past fall, Katie and I bought our first home. I've had a lot of quality time with my dad recently renovating the house, and right now we're actually in the process of building my dream garage. It's been quite the journey, and it's crazy to look back on old videos to see how things evolved over time. From just being an introverted kid talking about BMWs in my parents' driveway to having the opportunity to work with big companies like FCP Euro and Keys Motorsports, I'm just so humbled by this whole experience, and I'm thankful for all of you who tune into my videos every week. I have to be honest with you though, there are times when I feel lost on YouTube, and 4 years and 320 videos later, it can get a little bit tiresome just talking about the same car and the same topics all the time. So going into this new year, I want to experiment a little bit with the content and the format. It's still going to be car related, but not just restricted to BMW stuff all the time, just for my own sanity. Now don't get me wrong, I still love the car, that's why I keep driving it, that's why I'm wearing this hoodie. You can actually pick one of these up in the link below, but just from a content standpoint, I think at this point I've done everything that I wanted to do, and I've said pretty much everything that I needed to say, at least for right now. Now of course I'm still going to cover it in videos, I'm still going to do maintenance DIYs as needed, but just going forward, I don't know that the E90 will be the main focus of this channel as it once was. By diversifying and stepping out of my comfort zone that has been these E90 videos the past few years, whether that be automotive photography, cinematography, or just branching out into different cars, we're going to be able to appeal to an even bigger audience. I mean really, this channel is just my name, Justin Buice, so I guess it can be about whatever I want. So let's make 2020 the best year yet.
It's Justin Buice. We're heading out to the EME, Midwest Automotive